I'd like to welcome you to this particular training. Today we're going to be talking about making money with affiliate marketing. I've been a almost full-time affiliate marketer since about 2005. The first affiliate marketing program that I promoted was through the ClickBank network, and it was actually a hip-hop beats program called Beats 365. So I was introduced by the owner, Jamie Lewis, who's a huge affiliate marketer and content creator on the ClickBank and JVZoo platforms. He contacted me via email back in February 2005. I ran a site called urbanhotlist.com. At that time, pretty much I was making money off of AdSense and also selling my own ebooks. Hadn't fully discovered exactly what affiliate marketing was. I mean, I did put a few advertisements from CJ or Commission Junction on my websites, and I got a few sales every now and then, but it wasn't something I was actively doing, and definitely wasn't my full-time or major source of income at the time. But after being introduced to affiliate marketing, Jamie sent me an email, said, hey, you have a really cool urban site. I actually ran a site called urbanhotlist.com. It's making probably about $9,000 a month through Google AdSense at the time. And Google AdSense was definitely my major source of income. So Jamie suggested that I put a few banners, a few text links throughout my website's content, going to his hip hop beats site. So he had a website, Beats 365, I believe it's still around. He pretty much had, it was kind of like the Netflix of hip hop and rap beats. So you pay a one-time fee, and you're able to download as many hip hop and rap related beats that your little heart desired. So after promoting, I guess I started around February. By June of 2005, I was the #1 affiliate for Beats 365. And since then, I've expanded to other networks. I got into some CPA, cost per action. Really killed it with Hydra. So anyone that's been in CPA for quite some time, they should be familiar with the Hydra network. Hydra has since gone out of business. I believe they were sued or by the FTC for some violations or whatnot. But don't want to necessarily go into great detail about that. But pretty much I've been around the block as relates to affiliate marketing. So in this course, I'm not just giving you theory. I'm actually going to be pulling from a lot of practice and a lot of personal experiences that I also have with affiliate marketing. So let's begin with affiliate marketing. A little information about me. I currently run a few websites where I do digital marketing consulting and digital marketing consulting for small to medium-sized businesses. Also produce classes, hence this class that you're taking right now. And I'm also an affiliate marketer. Although affiliate marketing is not my major source of income at this point, it has been definitely in the past. So pretty much you define affiliate marketing as the following. You're essentially a digital commission salesperson. So if you put a banner for a particular product, you sell XYZ widgets, you do some promoting for XYZ widgets. Anytime someone makes a purchase through one of your XYZ widget affiliate links, okay, you get credit for that. You receive what they call a bounty or a commission for that particular sale. And you'll receive that payment net 30, net 60 terms, depending upon the affiliate network that you go for. So essentially, it's free, a source of free advertising in the sense that a company doesn't have to pay someone. They only pay them based upon their performance, or pay them based upon their success of actually promotion. So it's a good way of companies being able to scale their online marketing efforts without having to increase wages or come up with a salary for a full-time digital marketer or full-time sales division. You kind of have, as I said, digital salespeople actually promoting your products for you. And then as an affiliate, you don't have to come up with the money or the capital to develop your own products and services. You can just learn the skills, SEO, search engine optimization, social media marketing, paid traffic, buying advertisements, creating YouTube videos, and then just promoting other people's products and getting your promotions out there all over the internet and hopefully targeting people to the point where people come by your content that you've created and they click through your link and you receive that monthly bounty, or you receive that bounty that's due to you. Alright, so what exactly is kind of the job description of an affiliate marketer, or how do you understand what an affiliate marketing program is? Well, usually to get started, you have to sign up on one of the many affiliate marketing websites. I mentioned Commission Junction, I mentioned jvzoo.com, I mentioned cj.com, shareasale.com. These are some of the more popular ones. Linkshare.com. At the end of this course, in the resource section, I will provide a document that has links at least to some of the major commission or affiliate networks, so you can just register, open an account there, and then start to select some programs that relate to the niche markets that you hope to promote for. So first step is to sign up or enroll on an affiliate network. Get your account. Once you have an active account, then want to start selecting programs that you're interested in promoting, and get access to the banners or the links that relate to your account and related to the products that you're trying to promote. So now you kind of have a clear idea about what you need to do to sign up for a network. And as I said, in the course notes, you should be able to find some links to some of the popular affiliate networks. So the income of affiliate marketer is really based upon the sale of products. So you're a commission salesperson. You can see in this graphic here, a visitor goes to your site, they click an affiliate link, they make a purchase, and you earn whatever amount of money. I put $300 there. That's probably towards the high end of items. Typically, most commissions can be anywhere from $3 to $1,000, depending upon what product you're actually promoting. But typically for digital products, if you're looking at JVZoo, if you're looking at ClickBank, you can earn anywhere between $20 to $75 for a quality digital product that you may be promoting as an affiliate. So your job is to find the offers, create content, create a site, get that content all over the internet. You either post it on your own blog or post it on other people's blogs, or come up with some other method to get your advertisement in front of people. Or develop a free ebook and have a link to get people to sign up for your mailing list, and on your mailing list send out links to certain affiliate programs. So I mean, a slew of different models, business models that you can follow to start affiliate marketing. But the basic concept is that you're promoting a product as kind of a commission salesperson. All right, so hopefully now you have a rough idea about where to sign up. You have a rough idea about the business model. So now I'm going to give you or delve into a few tips or feedbacks. All right, so obviously traffic is kind of the lifeblood of any given website. If your website or blog does not receive any traffic, then you're kind of going to be it's going to be very hard to promote affiliate products or affiliate promotions. Because there's not going to be anyone to go to your website to click on your links. Thus, there's not going to be anyone to go to other websites to make purchases. Thus, you will not receive any type of commission. So one key point that I always establish with people is to try to focus on one niche or one niche at a time, and really focus on developing your traffic either to your own WordPress blog or maybe to a kind of Web 2.0 websites that you may control, to try to focus on one vertical at a time. So if you're into weight loss, focus on weight loss products, focus on developing website content related to weight loss, focusing on researching keywords all related to weight loss as well. So sometimes trying out different products to choose a single one can be one of the best ways for affiliate marketing. I always like to suggest people promote stuff that they at least have some basic knowledge of. So for example, I was going to DJ school back in 2005. So when Jamie emailed me about his Beats 365, I had an interest in it because I had an interest in kind of hip hop music. So I had a basic understanding of how hip-hop music works and the production side and DJing and curated music and all of that stuff. So there was an interest there. There was a linkage between my passion, my hobby, and opportunity, an affiliate opportunity. Another approach, if you aren't necessarily passionate about what you want to produce, just makes it easier to produce content related around something that you're passionate about. You can always outsource content, so if it's something you're not passionate or not interested in. But I just like, for starters, at least to suggest that people venture or focus on something that they're at least a little bit into. All right, so one shotgun approach is to maybe make a list of 3, 4, 5 things that you may be interested in, or at least basically interested in, and start promoting those. And based upon the results, like which one is easiest to rank for, the keywords, which one is easier to, which one has the shortest buy cycle as far as the demographic that you're going after, or the psychographic that you're going after, and then based upon that, less amount of competition or whatever, focus on that one affiliate program that gives you the most benefit or the fastest benefit. I like to focus on things that not necessarily make me the most money, but at least make me the fastest money. So this isn't like some pitch for overnight riches type stuff. This is basically saying, what is going to get me to $1 first? Okay, of course, it's great that option B can make me, several $100,000 over the next 2 years. But option A, I can actually make some money by this afternoon. So despite it may not have the potential to make me several $100,000 over the next few years, I'll opt for that. Okay, because cash is very motivating, especially as an affiliate marketer, because you're really always pushing for results. Okay, it's a result-driven thing. So there's no way you can sustain yourself, pay your rent, pay for any car payments you have, pay for food, if you aren't selling, especially as a affiliate marketer. And considering this is kind of an introduction to affiliate marketing, most of you guys are probably not going to start with a huge budget to purchase paid advertisements. Most of you guys are probably going to have to start by doing what I call bum marketing, where you're kind of doing stuff by hand and coming up with content. Okay, so in selecting any particular affiliate program, research is going to be key. And actually, even before you really select which program you want to focus on, I always suggest people do proper market research and actually find a demographic or a group that they want to develop a product for. Okay, because there are 1,000 ways to monetize different platforms and different verticals. But the crucial thing is, like, who are you going to provide service for? Who are ultimately going to be your clients or your customers or potential customers? So research is crucial. What websites does your demographic go to? What websites do they frequent? What forums do they hang out in? What YouTube videos do they watch? What music do they listen to? What psychographics? What's their marital status? What's their sexual orientation? Having this in-depth understanding of your market and kind of understanding them in and out will make it much easier to sell and to position products to sell to those demographics. So don't be lazy in your market research. Probably if you spend 10 minutes with your market research, you're probably going to get 10 minutes worth of results, versus if you spend 10 days understanding the market you're going after, you're going to get much better results as an affiliate marketer. So tip number 2 is definitely understand your market and definitely do as good of market research as possible. Another thing that I want to establish, kind of a tip here in kind of video 1, is that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Okay, you may be inundated by quote-unquote internet marketing gurus that make $100,000 a day or make $1 million a month. Yes, there are people that hit those numbers, but they're far and few between. I actually read a statistic. I think it was a survey of the Warrior Forum, or maybe it's Black Hat World, or one of those websites. They posted some stats from like the Affiliate Summit, and Affiliate Summit is one of the largest affiliate marketing conferences that they have. They typically have an Affiliate Summit West and Affiliate Summit East. So it's like a survey of earning income, and it was something like 80% of the people that were surveyed earn less than $2,000 per month as an affiliate. So that means 20% somewhere are earning above $2,000 a month. And then there's only like 5% of the people are actually doing $30,000 plus a month. So think about those percentages. Definitely everyone's not a guru, and it's a lot of image crafting. It's a lot of people leveraging stuff like social proof and followers and fake profiles to make themselves appear as if they're expert and that they're making a ton of money and they're doing it fast. And part of that is this kind of smoke and mirrors to get people to sign up for their particular affiliate programs, which just isn't the case. Okay, so I'm going to close out here. This is kind of section 1, kind of an introduction to affiliate marketing. And in this next video, I'm kind of going to be covering kind of section 2, where I'm just going to be talking about kind of how you actually get started promoting, especially if you don't have a ton of money to begin with paid advertisement. I'm going to recall some of what I call bum marketing techniques, are some techniques that you can do, without a huge budget. So I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions about anything I covered in this first video, by all means, feel free to contact me via message or post a question on the discussion board.